Citroen C-Crosser, the same like Peugeot, some number, same Mitsubishi Outlander with this engine, 2.4 with CVT gearbox. He has this ECU. And what the problem? The problem with catalytic converter. And we'll resolve it. How? We'll disable it from ECU. So let's check the trouble code. Trouble code. P0420 catalytic converter system. You see? Yeah. So I will now erase the code, will now clear them. Let's go back. I will do reprogramming for ECU and we will see the code must go on by himself. Just one thing, I disconnected blower because it started working. Yeah. Сейчас, секу.
Их продавать будут тут только месяц, потом все на Россию. На чем еще раз? Ну.
There is software to disable EGR and catalyst. Now let's write in the modified file with no EGR and no catalyst. I'm choosing the modified file. And the programmer asks the original file to calculate checksum. So let's check for trouble codes. I'm not erased the codes about the catalytic converter. It must go on by himself. Let's check it. Trouble code. Read. And yeah, you see? It's gone. Now the car with program, without catalytic converter and EGR. It's like Euro 2. Yeah, good. Now I will erase all codes because these codes lights up because the computer was disconnected. Clearing. Back.